Bonjour, tout le monde parle à toi. C'est Madame Miller. So I'm going to do a little online YouTube video on how to do some grammar topics. So by now, you should have logged onto your VHL account and looked at the pages reviewing definite and indefinite articles and done that verifié. So I'm just going to review real quick, and we are going to be on page 12 of your workbook. So ouvrez vos cahiers. Quelle page? Page 12. So the page numbers might not be lining up if you have the online version. But if you have the paper version, it's easy. So pause now and go find it. But we're going to go over this. So let's see if these markers work. So we have a masculine sample word. Let's use a food. I think I'm going to use croissant. There we go. And now in order to say the croissant, it is le. There we go. Nice and easy. Then feminine, I am going to do crepe. And the word for crepe in French is la crêpe, the crepe. Now, we're going to have a little bit of an issue when there comes to be a vowel. So our sample word, let's use omelette. We have omelette. Now, it ends in an E. That means it should be female, and it should be la, but as soon as you say la omelette, it really hurts your tummy. So what you're going to do, it's that L apostrophe just to make it sound and look nice. Then finally, plural. I'm going to use the word for grapes, because you never just have one grape. You're going to have raisins. It has an S at the end of it, so this is going to have an end of it, an S at the end of it. So we have lay, so the grapes. There we go. That's just for the word the. Pretty straightforward and happy. Now we have indefinite articles, which is the words for an, or an, or some. We're going to use our same word. So here's our croissant. If I have one croissant, it is un croissant. Old school. Lovely. Now we have feminine. Let's stick with our crepe. It's female, so it has an E. So let's make this female by adding an E. Hooray. That's awesome. Now, our vowel with a masculine word. We didn't have one before, but let's use the word for man. Remember, this is a vowel because H is not there. H is a vowel. It doesn't really count. Now, the beauty of it is we still use The only difference is when we say it out loud, is gonna, that really hurts. So we have this N sound comes out, so it becomes So vowels written at least don't cause an issue, maybe saying them. And let's use that same omelet for our female. We still have omelette. Un omelette. Okay, une omelette. That's perfect. It's not gonna hurt your tummy. Lots of E's, and females were good. Now if we have something plural, like let's keep our grapes. If we have some grapes, it would be des raisins. Look, there's an S there. There's a matching S there. We are all good. So this is all stuff we've already learned before, old school. I'm going to go to my handy dandy whiteboard. So now the issue is, think about it this way. Let's say I have a giant pizza. Are you eating the entire pizza? Absolutely not, because you'd be really fat if you're eating the entire pie. So if I want to just say some of it, and you're going to continue these notes on the bottom of page 12, it is called the partitive, which is just a fancy way of saying you're having part of something. So let's go back. Let's pretend I have a really, really large croissant. I don't know. It's really big, and you guys seem really, really hungry, and you want some of that croissant. Now, if I said un croissant, I'm not giving you the entire croissant. I'm not giving you a croissant because we're sharing it. It can be le croissant because we're still sharing it. I'm not giving you the whole thing. I am giving you du croissant, which just means some of the croissant. Now, let's go back to our crepe. I have a really large crepe. And it's so yummy, and I want to share it with you. I can't say la crepe. I'm not giving you the crepe. I'm not giving you une crepe. I'm giving you de la crepe. So that would be just part. Sorry, there's a weird glare. That would be me giving you part of the crepe. Now, what's that? Same thing with the omelet. I'm not giving you an omelet. I'm not giving you the omelet. Here's the thing. You want to say de l'omelette, but oh, that sounds gross. So it becomes de l'omelette. That's not so bad so far. And then this one's the easiest one. Grapes. I have a whole bushel of grapes and I'm giving you some. It's the same day. Hooray! So I'm not giving you my whole bushel of grapes. I'm giving you some. So all of these words, all of these D words are just saying some if you want to be nice and share your food with people. So your 2 boxes on page 12 should be filled out, and this bottom part where the partitive should be filled out. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Haha. So now, let's go back here. We're going to look at this page, which is the next page, page 13. I don't know what page it is on your online version. So this has to do with some verbs having to do with food. So that's why we're starting to put together full sentences. So prendre is that all-inclusive verb. It kind of means like to have in English, where it's like, oh, what are you ordering? I'm going to have a hamburger and fries and a Coke. You can use have for food and drink, and there is okay. So on your paper, je prends, I have, tu prends, you have, and then 2 sentences in bold and italics. Manger means to eat, and that's really obviously just for food, obviously. So je mange, I eat, tu manges, you eat. And then boire is only for beverages. Does it look like a word to you? Like boisson a little bit, maybe? So je bois, I drink, tu bois, you drink. So we're going to go over the French word so we can practice pronunciation on here. So écoutez and répétez. Je prends. Tu prends, je mange, tu manges, je bois, tu bois. And there you have it. There's a nice little grammar lesson straight from Plainview, Long Island. So the last thing you're going to do today is see these activities right here, these sentences that are bold and italicized. You are just going to translate them what they mean. So I'll do the first one together. So I am having a milk. Like think about like one of those little milk cartons you get. And I'm having a milk and an eclair, a whole eclair. So translate the rest of those into English. And there's your work for the day. And continue logging on every day and doing the great work. And I will talk to you soon. Au revoir.